Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, I reached into the locks again that Texas Jim sent me, and I pulled out what appears to be a Russwin knockoff mortise cylinder here. Looks like an aftermarket Russwin key here. But anyways, here's the bitting on it. It looks like Jim has modified this key a little bit. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's kind of a short mortise cylinder here. But anyways, we're going to try to get in it, and, well, we'll take a peek inside of it. Let me, zoom this up a bit. Alright. It does work very smooth, too. No hang-ups whatsoever in this lock. But, let's see if we can get it open. Alright, I believe I can, use this tension wrench. Yes, I can. And it kind of looks like a wide open keyway. I'm going to see if I can use this, another one of my homemade picks here. Kind of like the Tron here. It's a little bit tight, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, nothing on 1. This is 2. Got a little bit of a counter. I got a little click from him, and he kind of disappeared on me. Alright, this is 3. Does not want to move. Okay, I think I got a little bit out of 5. Okay, a couple of clicks out of 3. I got a little turn on that core. Back on 5 again. Some counter rotation. Alright, not sure if I got him. Pin 2. Some counter. Okay. Back on 3. Nothing. Oh, we're open on 1, I believe. Wow, that was pretty easy. Alright, yeah, that was probably one of my easiest Texas Jim locks to date. But it is picked, so we're going to take it for that. Alright, let's see what he's got in the lock here. Alright, we can lock this back up. Alright, let me grab my pinning tray. And we'll get the back off of this. These are my favorite backs to take off. Much better than trying to take out those clips sometimes. Alright. Let's throw a shim in there. Okay, let's see what we have. There's all 5 pins. They're all working. And looks like they all needed to be picked, and he's got threading in every single one of those chambers. Alright, let's see what we got here. 1, we have a double spool. 2, we have another double spool. Pretty sharp edge on the top of that one. And another double spool, or maybe a serrated spool. is a spool with kind of like not a wedding cake spool, but I think there's another ledge on there anyways, and another spool and 5. So we have a lot of spools down below. Yep, and like I said, everything is threaded here in the core. Alright, let's see what we got upstairs. Pin 1 looks like a weak spring. Looks like we have one of those barrel type of spools and a steel spring. Another barrel type of spool and a double. I think that's a, maybe that's a double, maybe not. Maybe it's just a single. I thought it was a double spring, but I don't think it is. Oh, that pin just came up that way. Another barrel type of spool again. Another steel spring. It will go this way. This looks like a serrated, wide serrations. Oh, that's 5. Another steel spring, and last but not least, 4 is a spool. And another steel spring. All the springs are the same. Alright, so we got up here. Doesn't appear to have... Oh, wait a minute. No, I lied. Let me check this. I think there is threading in 1 for sure. Yep, and then threading in 3, 4, nothing in 5, and nothing in 3, unless those are very light. Unless that's some light threading in 3, possibly. Let me see if I can see that with a light. Yeah, there's some light threading in 3, so nothing done in 2. Everything else is threaded, except for 2. But yep. Alright, let's take a look at these pins. Okay. Alright, well, in number 1 we have a double spool. 2 we have another double spool. And 3 seems to be another double spool, or maybe a serrated spool. 4 is another spool, but you can see it has, it's kind of like beveled here at the bottom. And then another spool here in 5. And up top we have a barrel type of spool here, a smaller barrel type of spool. One more here, another barrel type of spool, single spool here in 4, excuse me, and a serrated here, wide serrations, or maybe spool serrated type, more like wide serrations, and then pretty much all steel springs, a little bit different, but not much. I mean, this seems to be like the only different one, possibly. But yeah, another fun lock from Texas Jim. And again, Texas Jim, thank you for all the locks you sent me. I really appreciate that. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.